I just vlog a little bit. I just made tortellini. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Welcome to the vlog. It's Monday. Sorry you can hear in the background I'm watching YouTube. But I'll see you guys in a little bit when we can chat. Hey guys, so I'm just posting a TikTok that I filmed about how Converse is having 50% off their shoes. So I just ordered a pair. I'm also editing a video right now. I think that just finished. Yeah, so we're gonna upload that, and then we're just gonna place an order. I also found some things on eBay that I've been wanting that are on sale right now as well. I should not be shopping, but I am. But other than that, I've not been feeling good today. I may have bladder infection, not sure, so I may go to the doctor tomorrow if I'm still like feeling sick with how I am. I'm feeling sick when I eat, just things like that. But then, so I just came home, I showered, and then I kind of took a nap, and then now I've just been watching YouTube. I may work out tomorrow depending on how I'm feeling, or if I have to go to the doctor or something, we'll see. But that's pretty much it. That's all that's happened today. I made tortellini for dinner. Kind of filmed that. I don't know. But we're just going to have okay, and then we're just going to have a chill night. I'm gonna go to bed soon. It's 6:10 right now. Gonna get this video uploaded and ready to post, and then we're just gonna go to bed, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow because I'm not feeling good. Like I said, I'm probably gonna order a pair of Converse because they're on sale. I need to drink a bunch of water right now because I just ate some pineapple and I can already feel my stomach, like, I don't know. In case you didn't know, I have a digestive issue called gastritis. Here, hold on. Okay, so I have a digestive issue called gastritis. It's a stomach issue where the lining of my stomach is like not functioning properly, and it usually flares up when I'm sick, and I had a cold a few weeks ago. But the issue is we're on 3 weeks of now me feeling sick and not feeling good and eating properly because I've been so sick. I ate some pineapple and I do not feel good from that. Shouldn't have done that. I'm gonna drink a bunch of water right now, but with that it can cause other issues such as like anemia, iron deficiencies, that type of stuff, as well as I could get a bladder infection, I don't know, things like that. But I'm just not feeling well at the moment, so it's kind of just all blah, which is why I'm also having issues with vlogging because I'm not feeling up to vlog at the moment. I should feel more in the mood to vlog, but I'm just not. So hopefully tomorrow's better. If it's not, I'm going to go into the walk-in just to see how I'm feeling, and if it's okay. But if it's not, we'll see. But that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys probably tomorrow just because I want to just go to bed and relax tonight. And yeah, I'm gonna drink a bunch of water, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, I am not known for a lot of things, but one thing I am known for is being a terrible cook. Anyways, today we are attempting muffins. I have been in such a big like muffin craze. It's crazy. Let's see, in the last month I've made 4 different types of muffins and cinnamon rolls. And I've been making so many that I have to send them home to my sister because I don't eat them all. So let's make some cinnamon sugar muffins today. I did not need to take my oil out. Oops, I also have milk that I need to throw away because it's bad. Let's go. Do you have to let it linger? Wait, what else did I need? Half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's vanilla. No. Vanilla. I always spill this on my fingers. That's a tablespoon. Teaspoon. Yeah, teaspoon. I'm not looking forward to having to roll these in cinnamon sugar when we're done, but we'll do it anyways. Okay, and then the egg, right? That was everything. Wow, this is an easy recipe. Okay. Time. Not gonna lie, you're sitting on my toaster handle right now, so if you go up and down, that's fine. I don't know why I took this out, I don't need it. Time for the egg. Those we don't need, those we don't need. Gross. We're gonna take it over to the mixer. Mixing time. Why did my oven just move? Do you have to let it go? I'm such a fool. Scrambled eggs. Now slowly add this to. Not gonna lie, the butter wasn't fully melted. Just a tad bit more milk. She's not mixing in fully. Do you have to let it go? There we go. And then from there, I think it was, just wait, give me a second. Okay, let's get the pan ready. Okay, please ignore my pan. I know I burnt some in there at one point. Once again, I am not known for being a baker. And yes, I know I should just get muffin tins. Anyways, I just watched the newest episode of The Bachelor. I have Hulu, so I can't watch it like live. And the drama, let me tell you. Here, hold on. We're just going to rearrange just a little bit. So you guys can see this. That was not good. Guys, I'm trying to learn how to TikTok better, but I don't think it's working because I don't know how to like talk to you guys like ever. But we're trying. Anyways, like I try to like scrape it out with the utensils I have so I don't have to dirty anymore and use more utensils because I don't want to wash them. I don't think anyone else will want to wash them either. Ooh, that batter tastes good. I promised I washed my hands before this. And we're gonna burn more oil in those ones that are already dark. Yay! This recipe only made 6, 8. That's fine, because I don't eat them that fast. And I still have muffins in my freezer from the last month of me making muffins. Oh, I probably should have just brought out my mini muffin pan and put those in there. That's fine. It just means that we'll be making more muffins soon. There we go. Now we're going to throw them in the oven. Let's throw them in the oven. And I'll see ya in like 18-ish minutes. I'll see you later. Set timer for 16 minutes.
16 minutes.
Hey guys, so tonight I kind of had a chill night. You kind of saw I made muffins a little bit. I'll have to edit that because that clip's long. But I did mess up at the end, and why are we so zoomed in right now? I did mess up at the end and put the sugar on wrong, so that looks weird. And I do have to wash that pan, but I think I'll do that tomorrow. I don't really want to do it tonight. It's currently 6:41. I think I'm just gonna get ready for bed and then just chill in my bed until I go to bed, go to sleep. Sorry about hearing the dishwasher. Other than that, I really just watched YouTube the rest of the night and just hung out, so nothing too exciting. I was gonna do Pilates today, but when I came home from work, I felt a little sick and my throat's getting sore right now. Could be from screaming music in the car, but that's about it. So So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day and Ash Wednesday. I do have a Valentine's Day gift for my parents over here, so maybe I'll show you guys that. And I got this from Kate, but that's really it. So I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, I did not finish this video. It's currently Sunday. The reason is for that is because I ended up working Thursday night until 6 p.m. and then I packed up and went to bed, and then I left on Friday, so I just kind of forgot about it. I was gonna film on Friday and then I forgot, but just wait. I did a lot of shopping this weekend, so I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a haul. So we're gonna get into it. If my phone starts buzzing, it's because my strawberries are washing. I think this is an eBay order, which I think I told you guys about these. Oh, it's like double sealed. I got free maps with it. I think these are these the current maps? Yeah, it's the current map because it has Tiana's Bayou Adventure in it. But I think these are the... This is the tote bag. This has to be the tote bag, the way it feels. I literally cannot cut this bag open. Yeah, it is. Okay, so I've been wanting this tote bag. And I've been watching it for a while, and 2 years ago they had the 50th anniversary Starbucks tote bag at Magic Kingdom, and it sold out while we were there, and I ended up having to buy it on eBay for $50. So I've been watching this one, and it was $50, and then they lowered it down to the price it is in the stores, maybe a little bit more, but it's still around $30, but I got it. It's the Starbucks tote bag for like the year, and I love tote bags. This one seems a little bit smaller than the other one, but I love her. Oh shoot, I was gonna film a TikTok. Maybe I won't. Maybe I won't. And then, so then here's the other one. I should have filmed a TikTok, but honestly I just forgot about it. I've been trying to get back onto my TikTok grind again. We'll be filming a TikTok tomorrow because I just got a huge Smart Sweets package for free. So we will be filming that. I don't know what is going on here. Okay. So I've been watching videos for a while, and I saw these on there on someone's DCP videos, and this has been over almost 2 years now. I've been watching this and like wanting these so badly, and I finally just bit the bullet and did it. The ears are kind of bent, but you can't even see. I got it for like $12. and I love them. They're definitely coming with me to Disney. But yeah, I've been wanting these for quite a while, so we got them. Next, this is definitely a purchase I purchased because I got something at Ulta, but it's a tanning kit. I do have a mitt already, but I just decided to get another one because it came with a face brush, a mitt, applicator mitt, exfoliating glove, and the back thing. So I'm gonna put this in the bathroom so I have it for tomorrow because we're getting on that self-tan grind. And I do have self-tanners that I want to use in my bathroom currently, but I don't have time to wait the 8 hours to wash it off, just how my work schedule is. So I bought another one that I've been wanting to try. Hold on. So that brings me to Ulta. So this is kind of a hefty haul, but worth it. I got the B-Tan gel. We're gonna try it. I don't know how it's gonna go. It's hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. This is definitely darker than what I typically go for because if you can't tell, I'm white, but we're just gonna try it out. And we're gonna use it with the glove, not my hand, because I'm not gonna have orange hands. And then I got the Island Breeze Tree Hut scent, which smells like, I don't even know how to describe it. It's coconutty, it's pineapple-y. It's just like coconut, kind of like the Coca Colada, but like it has like fruity smells in it too. And then I didn't know if I had more hyaluronic acid and I'm running low, so I just picked up another one. If I have any, it's fine. I use them so fast anyways. I got the Coca Colada shave oil because the only other shave oil I have is the candy cane. And honestly, I'm kind of over it right now. But we will definitely be using the candy cane again. And then I got a hydrating body oil because I heard it's really good to oil after taking a shower, and I have extremely dry skin. I live in Wisconsin. It's extremely dry right now, so we'll be using this after showers. That's it for Ulta. Then Target, we got a lot. We got biotin because you know we're on that hair growth routine right now. My hair is actually doing really well. Here's where the bald spot was. You see all the baby hairs are growing? Yeah, so it's getting better. I got liquid IV. Oh, this one has probiotic in it. It's the Hydration Multiplier Plus, and then it has probiotic in it. It's the tart green apple flavor. I have the pink lemon strawberry lemonade flavor, and I also have the lament ones, but I've been putting these in my drinks every single morning when going to work because I have been feeling just really, like, I feel like I'm going to pass out every single day at work. So we've been doing that. And then I got just more shampoo and conditioner because I'm running low. I am using the biotin shampoo still, but I'm starting to switch it up between the two. So yeah, there's that. And then last thing I got, I have to take pictures besides the Smart Sweet box. I got another influencer type of thing. I got a bunch of tattoos from Inkbox, so we're gonna try them out. But yeah, that's it. I will see you guys later. I gotta take pictures of these for tomorrow. The Smart Sweet box is full of candy. I'm not the biggest fan of the Smart Sweet gummies, but other than that, like, I love this. Like, I want to try it all. My mom's diabetic. I'm gluten-free, so a lot of their stuff is gluten-free, which a lot of gummies aren't. I mean, there's a lot that are, but there's a lot that aren't. So I really like that it is good for you. So yeah. Sorry, that's about it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Tomorrow we'll start the next vlog, but I'll see you guys later.